What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be doing a Taco Bell mukbang.
Come on, eat, Mama.
Okay.
Come on, try to take tacos, burritos, hot sauce, onions, everything to give us astronomical gas.
Oh, good. I like it when I have that.
Mm-hmm.
I love it, yes.
So we can be sick tonight. Come on.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
I tried to trick Tam. Hold on a second. Do you want me to go pick up some pizzas? No.
Oh, Tay, you said that. You tried to. Thank you. That's.
Onions? Hot sauce?
Some hot sauce. Mild sauce. Got it.
No, I don't know what that. I just want to throw some in there.
Okay, that's all right. So, she said no.
Mm-hmm.
Well, you can call back and say, then what do you want?
So we eat pizza every Friday. I know. I said, well, I'll be by there. She said, okay.
Is she up there right now? Did she
No.
open it up? No. So, is
Where's the
Mary not
burritos,
being
Mimi?
judged no more, or what?
Mm-hmm. But they said they've been investigating her for 7 months.
Mm.
And Joe Moreno, do you know Joe? No.
Mimi, can I have a burrito, please?
Mm-hmm. Anything you want. Burrito.
Thank you. Here I have a Taco Bell burrito.
With beans.
And
Now, who's Joe Marino?
Hello. Down the street from me.
Mm-hmm.
He works there. Mary's. He worked.
Oh.
I saw him. I saw them arresting him. No, I just happened to be going by at the right minute, and I saw him handcuffed, and I felt so bad, so I just turned my face like I didn't see him.
By his house?
Yes, at his house.
Oh my God!
And block away right there on the corner by Sanborn.
They came for him working there? Oh.
No. His brother works there. His brother was there when he got busted. And they told his brother, by the way, we just picked up your brother on another charge.
Oh my God. No.
So they knew everybody in there.
Oh my God.
And it's always a plant. It's always somebody we know. But we don't know who it is. They know names, they know how they pay, they know everything.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow.
What's my ears, Trace?
No, this is great. And these tacos are still so warm and everything.
Good.
Yeah. That's just terrible. I mean, she's been open forever.
Yeah. Okay, I worked for Roy, remember? You and Lenny were dating.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Still want to eat your toast, Mama?
Oh, yes. Thank you.
You got one for you? One for me.
And he was working for Roy and...
And she opened while we were still working there. No, it was Jackie that opened. And then Jackie left and she went up. So she's been there about 10 years.
Oh, wow.
Without a problem. She made some money.
Yeah, she did. Huh.
They took everything, all the machines, Cokes, water, everything. They didn't used to do that. They just take the machines, leave all the little cakes and stuff, but now they sit there.
They take everything.
Bought with the gambling money from there.
Dirty money.
Yeah, but all they do is share it, amongst them. Dirty assholes.
Yeah, they go use it all.
Mm-hmm.
So what's the difference? You know? Wonder if Letty and them still open out there.
Mm-hmm.
They're still staying open. I did go out there with Patty. I guess the Patty, whatever.
Did you win? I hope you won.
I didn't. My machine acted like I was on my match.
Mm-hmm.
It acted like it wanted to do something. I got it up to like 60. And it would just, it would not do nothing.
Good, Mama?
mm-hmm.
What'd your daddy say?
Nothing.
Y'all getting along?
Hmm? Yesterday I got to go swimming with him.
Crap.
Wow.
Kenny's house.
Who's Candy's girlfriend?
No. His best friend.
Oh, really?
Wow.
It was fun.
Where's Kenny live? I'm nosy too.
Over there. I don't know where it is.
Somewhere in a
But it's on
apartment.
the other side of town.
Yeah.
No, it's in the big house.
Oh, wow.
I know.
Hmm.
How do you know if I'm home? Do you call or what? Because you know I was out of town, right?
But Daddy said you need to give me a key,
I have. Okay.
please.
But I don't want to leave you by yourself. Did you tell him?
I know.
Where you going now, mamas?
But he said just to just give me one whenever any of y'all are here.
Well, there's one under the pot. I'll show you where it's at. But you got to put it right back where as soon as you open the door. Okay?
Okay.
Where you going?
I'm going to my best friend that we've been friends since we were 14.
Yeah.
She's never been married. She's getting married by the church.
Oh, how cool.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
So all her old friends are going. She wants all her old friends to be there.
Oh.
It's a small thing, but
Oh.
How old is she now?
65, 66.
So she was kind of like me, just never married.
Never got married now.
I hope
She's getting married and she hopes it's the right one.
I hope hers is so much better than anyone's. I don't
But you
know
looked
that.
so happy, Tracy, when you got married. You did
I
that
was.
picture. It was such a great thing, and you
I
were by
was
the water.
happy. I thought we were happy until.
And what was it when he left out of town? You found out everything, or what?
Yeah, well, when he sent me that picture of himself down there,
Yeah.
nothing was.
Uh-huh.
He said, "Oh, babe, I forgot to tell you, I shaved for you." I was floored. That old hairy ass face of his, that grizzly beard, and I've been begging him for a year. Anyway, it's thousands of miles from me.
Mm-mm.
Would that not set up a red flag to you?
Did you, and so what happened?
Well, okay, and then after that, I mean, I was just God, I was so floored on that one, but his text messages for years said Lenny, and a signature on his message was Lenny and Tracy. All of a sudden, Tracy was gone. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. He thought he was sly. You know, and I always caught him at anything and everything. His own daughters even said, "Tracy, FBI don't have shit on you. You don't quit till you're done." I said, if I know.
My love, put this on the plate for your mama. Or just put it on a plate and put a napkin over and put it in her room. What do you want?
That coffee stuff spelled.
I'm sorry.
This is good, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
I love it when it comes running out the end.
Where do I go?
What?
I'm hungry. I was so hungry right then and there. And there's 5 cars in front of me.
Oh, God. Stop blowing your horn. Not really.
I just sat there and I was falling asleep.
Oh, no. I don't know why. It's the damn Baptists in this town. That's who it is. It drives hell. Guarantee it.
About the machine?
About the gambling and stuff. You know, and they're the biggest hypocrites. in the
You're
world.
exactly right.
No. They're out Saturday night screwing around on their husband and their wife.
Mm-hmm. Sunday morning in church.
Saturday morning, they're pointing the finger at everybody else. You know. Have you got to see that commercial with Jesse yet?
Burger King.
No, I haven't. I don't watch some regular TV. I watch
Yeah.
Netflix.
Yeah, that's true. That is true.
You want more, Mama?
Not thinking.
You were hungry, huh, Mommy?
I was too.
I was too. I ate all mine. I need to
That was
stop.
mine, too.
I was doing my diet, but I don't care. I was so hungry.
guys.